Installing the telematics device is a quick and simple process, completed within around 15 minutes into most cars. The OBD2 port is usually located on the underside of the dashboard, behind an access panel. The device is fitted underneath the dashboard and a cable connected to the OBD2 port. The cable is secured safely behind the dashboard to prevent any risk of obstructing the pedals. Cable ties are then strapped around the device to secure it to the cable. The device is then secured to a fixed point with the antenna facing upwards using additional cable ties. All panels are then fixed back into place.